Hi everyone, my name is Suk, and today I'm going to be starting the CRST exam prep playlist. I'm very excited to share this because I haven't seen anything like this here on YouTube, so hopefully this helps you out. I know this is going to help me out because I am also, just like you, studying for the CRST, and I think this is going to be a great way for us to learn together. So I'm gonna start off by sharing my screen. I'm gonna be talking just a little bit about myself, and then we'll dive right into what I'm going to be covering in this playlist, what resources I'll be using, and why I'm creating this playlist altogether. So yeah, just gonna share my screen. So like I said, this playlist will help you study for the Canadian Registered Safety Technician exam. I will say that this does not supplement purchasing textbooks and required material. This is for me to learn. I do not recommend you to use this playlist as your primary study material. So a little bit about myself. I did my undergrad and my master's at U of T in environmental and earth sciences. I did a little bit of work in the field before I pursued a diploma program in workplace safety and prevention at Seneca. This program is great because it is BCRSP accredited. If you go onto the BCRSP website, you will find other accredited programs as well. But yeah, I went for Seneca, and it's been a pretty good program. But yeah, the best thing about this is right after I graduate, I can go ahead and write the CRST exam. So a little bit about the CRST exam prep playlist. So first of all, I will start off by saying that I am not a certified professor or a teacher. I am a student just like you preparing for the CRST. My primary resource will be the Canadian Society of Safety Engineering, CRST Study Guide, and the Big Book of Safety Knowledge, similar to the one that you see on the slide. I will be using some credible sources outside of this book to kind of supplement my videos. Anything that I use, I will list it in my description box or at the end of my slides so that you can sort of follow those links. So why did I go for the CSSE study material? So I have a website here at the top. I will link it down in the description. And basically, the BCRSP website has a list of credible exam prep courses and study group providers. So I went in for the CSSE the CSSE CRST exam prep material. So that's right there. So when you go onto their website, these are the options that you get. So if you're studying for the CRSP, you would go for that guide, but the one that we're going to go for is the CRST exam prep material. And you get that with the Big Book of Safety Knowledge. So why did I create this playlist? Well, I created this playlist because, like I mentioned, I am studying for the CRST exam, and we learn 95% of what we teach others. So by creating this playlist, hopefully you can learn, and so can I. And like I mentioned earlier, I created this playlist because I noticed that there's a lack of CRST exam prep material here on YouTube. I know I certainly came on here to try to find some videos to help me out, and I didn't find much. So hopefully this can help somebody. So I urge you to pause the video and take a screenshot or write these subjects down. But these are pretty much the topics that we're going to be covering in the first set of videos. So this is coming from chapter 1 of the CSSE Big Book of Safety Knowledge. Okay. All right, so thank you for watching my video. And I will see you next time. Sure.